I'm Hansen. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Brenda. I am 12 years old. I am in Classic C at Delhi Center. There are 6 people. There are grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, brother, and me.
Okay, you have 6 people in your family, okay? Which city is this?
Tokyo in Japan.
This?
Hanoi in Vietnam.
This?
London in England.
And this?
New York in America.
Okay, London in England. Which city do you like?
I like Hanoi.
That's great. Where do you live?
I live in Tangier City.
Tell me something about Tangier City.
I live in Tangier City.
Okay.
In Ninh Bình
Province.
province.
Good. Okay, that's great. Okay, look here. What's your favorite sport?
I like play football.
How often do you play football?
I often tell
I play football
I play football
twice a week.
twice a week.
Twice
Twice a
a
week.
week. That's good. That's a good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.